Welcome everybody, my name is Jodie Jordan. I'm a Stampin' Up! Demonstrator and you can find me on social media as the Blue-Eyed Crafter. Today we're going to be making a Groomsman Proposal Card. My daughter and my future son-in-law is going to be getting married in about a year and a half, and he wanted me to actually make a card for his groomsmen. So we seen something on Etsy and I said, oh, I can do that, don't worry. So we just grabbed a square and now I have found a bow tie and we're just centering it up, and now we're adding the text. Now, believe it or not, I made every single one of these, and after I was done, I had to remake them because I spelled definitely wrong. So, bear with me. When you see the photos, it's right, but during this video, it's completely wrong because I had to go in and, like I said, redo all of them. Design space needs a spell check. So all I did was I went in and I grabbed a square and I sized it to 4 1/4 by 5.5. And actually I end up changing that to, I think, 4 by 5 1/4. I went in and I grabbed a bow tie from Design Space, and now I'm looking for a font, which if you watched any of my videos, you will know I struggle with that. But this time's not as bad as last. So now I'm just aligning everything up, and I'm going to grab some more text and bring in. Now this card is going to be a print and cut, and I have brought in the color of the card just to basically for visual, but when you want to print it, you definitely want to change it to white because it will print the color. And I did this so many times. I couldn't figure out what I was doing wrong, in fact, when you see me put the card together, you're going to see the back of one of the pieces of paper actually have the print on it. So you want to change it to white when you get ready to actually do the print. Now I'm just lining up the text, getting everything centered. And at first I was going to do the bow in foil because I had done the save the dates that way. But then I thought it would be really cute if I did just a 3D kind of look to it. And I decided to cut the bow tie out, and you'll see that when we do at the end, when we do the invitation. And here I'm just changing it back to a basic cut. I think I was trying to decide if I liked that bow tie or not. I ended up keeping it. Okay, so everything's done. I've already got everything printed and cut. I actually did an extra panel, and I printed this as well, and I'm putting it on the inside. No extra layers, just one single layer there. And there you can see where I've printed on the back and see how it turned brown. And again, this is not the cards I sent out because definitely it's spelled wrong. I'm just glad I caught it before I put it in the mail. I would have been so upset if I would have put it in the mail. So now I'm just grabbing some Stampin' and Dimensionals. I do have mini ones, but I was being lazy and didn't want to grab them, so I just cut one in half and then put one on each side. And then now you have the finished card. It turned out really cute, and I'm excited that I could do this for the kids. Thanks for watching, and stay tuned for more videos.